Hey guys, it's Christian from RackNerd, and today we are going to fix a super common issue on VPS servers: incorrect system time. If your VPS is showing the wrong time or you're experiencing a time sync issue, this video is for you. We'll be using a modern, powerful tool called Chrony to solve this. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up, you will need a VPS with Ubuntu already set up to follow along. If you haven't already got that sorted out yet, no worries, head over to RackNerd.com for top tier hosting solutions. We've got a detailed guide on this topic over on our blog, with a link in the description down below this video. If you prefer RHEL based distros, we've got you covered with a guide for that too. Please check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials, including a recent video on how to order a VPS with RackNerd. Make sure to give that a watch if you're just getting started. Now, let's fix your VPS's time. Alright, so before we begin the tutorial, let's talk about Chrony. It's a modern tool designed to keep your server time accurate no matter what. You see, time sync issues can arise from all sorts of reasons, whether it is a lack of proper sync tools, incorrect time zone settings, or even unreliable NTP servers. These problems can cause your VPS time to drift and lead to bigger issues down the road, like failed SSL certificates or scheduling problems. That's why Chrony is the go-to solution. So, what is Chrony exactly, and why should you care? Well, compared to older tools like NTP or NTP Date, Chrony has a ton of benefits. It makes small, continuous adjustments to your system's time instead of those large, disruptive jumps that can throw things off. It's incredibly accurate, often down to the microsecond, which is great for hosting critical services. And since it handles network issues better than older tools, Chrony is reliable even if your network connection isn't perfect. Plus, it uses fewer resources, meaning it won't slow down your server. If you're hosting websites, having accurate time is critical. Everything from session cookies to scheduled tasks depend on it. Now let's get into it, and I will show you how to install and set up Chrony on your VPS. First, let's check our system current time by opening up the terminal and typing date. This will show you the current time your VPS is running on, and you can see if you're already off or not. Next, before we install Chrony, you'll want to make sure that your package list is up to date. You can do this by running the command apt-get update-y. This ensures that you're installing the latest version of Chrony, avoiding any potential issues with outdated packages. Once that's done, you're ready to install Chrony. Simply type apt-get install Chrony-y into the terminal. The installation process should only take a moment, and after it's finished, we'll start the service. To start the Chrony service and ensure it runs automatically each time your VPS boots up, use the command systemcti start Chrony D, followed by systemcti enable Chrony D. This activates Chrony, and from this point forward, your system will automatically handle time synchronization for you. Now, to see if your time has been corrected, once again, you can type date into the terminal. You should notice that the system time has adjusted and is now in sync. For those of you who want to dive a bit deeper, there are a couple of options that you can check out. You can view the current time synchronization status by typing Chrony C tracking. This will give you an overview of how well your server is syncing with its time sources. If you're curious about where Chrony is pulling its time from, you can also type Chrony C sources to see a list of time sources being used. With Chrony installed, your VPS is now set to keep time as accurately as possible, which is crucial for keeping your website and services running smoothly. This solution is far more reliable and efficient than older methods like NTP Date, making it a perfect fit for modern hosting environments. And that is all there is for today's tutorial on fixing incorrect times using Chrony. If this helped you out, don't forget to head over to RackNerd.com for all your hosting needs. We've got the infrastructure and the support to keep your VPS running smoothly. Plus, if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below, and if you're looking for more tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button. We've got you covered, and we've got plenty more on the way. With that said, talk soon.